so I'm going to use tip mops, and this is kind of like our special product, but I like to put makeup remover on our tip mops. And what I'm going to do is apply the tip mops against the lashes and just let the client know I'm going to apply it to your eyelid, because sometimes they kind of get freaked out or surprised. Here we go on the other side, and I like to use the brush on both sides and just go for it. That way then it's working simultaneously and we're saving time, because cleansing shouldn't take more than, I would say, 2 minutes at the most. So now we have these nice bubbles, and I'm going to start massaging with the cleansing brush. These are green eye gel pads. The reason why I invented the green eye gel pads is because it actually helps us see the little blonde lashes and light colored lashes off of the green background. Before Lynk-Gel, I couldn't do inner corners this fast, that's for sure, because I was working against the glue clock, and glue does not dry fast. So this is very nice. And go pick up another hair, and by the time the light's off, you already have a hair picked up, and you could apply it right next door without worrying about stickies.